How to play Doom Online full guide. Most people get this wrong by expecting Doom to be a single-player experience. The surprising truth is that modern versions and community servers allow full online multiplayer, including cooperative and competitive modes. Start by installing the latest version of Doom on PC or console. Create an account on the platform to access online servers. Check for updates to avoid connectivity issues. Next, explore multiplayer modes. Classic Deathmatch gets players against each other, while co-op campaigns let you team up with friends. Use voice chat or in-game text to coordinate. You won't believe how much more fun Doom becomes with strategy and teamwork. Optimize settings for online play. Lower latency by connecting via wired internet. Reduce graphical strain for smoother FIS and configure controls for quick reactions. Finally, join active servers or communities for matchmaking. Participate in events, tournaments, or mods that enhance replayability. In conclusion, playing Doom Online opens a new level of excitement beyond single player. With proper setup, communication, and server choice, you'll enjoy fast-paced, thrilling battles every time.